What's up? My name is Christian Crosby, and I get people hyped for game time for a living. And today, I'm gonna get you hype at home with this Corona beer infused buffalo chicken dip. Let's go. I like cooking with Corona because it's fun. Like, you pour it into your food, your friends are like, what are you doing? And it's a flex. Like, you can kind of show your friends you know what you're doing, it tastes good, and they're like, oh wow, this dish is really good with the Corona in it. Okay, step one, get your chicken. Rotisserie chicken, canned chicken, it doesn't really matter. It's really quick. Shred that chicken up and get it ready to go. Add all the ingredients together for step two, your cream cheese. Drop that hot sauce, drop the ranch dressing, and give it a little mix. You know what I mean? And then you top it off with a little bit of that Corona. Step three is baking time. Throw that bad boy in the oven and let it sit for about 20 minutes. So once I put the dish in the oven, gotta keep myself entertained while I wait. I love music, I love vibes, so throw on some music, vibe out. I also occasionally like to have a little slam dunk contest with myself, which I always win. All right, step four, pull it out of the oven, let it sit and cool for about 5-10 minutes. Let's eat. You can eat it with pita bread, you can eat it with celery, carrots, chips. I like to obviously use tortilla chips, it's the best to me. So easy to make, it doesn't take a long time, it's like 25 minutes tops to make it. It's really addictive. Like, I've been eating this the last couple weeks, watching sports. It really does it for me. Like, it's really good. Like, it's my favorite dish to eat, especially for sports, so. I'm all about vibes, so when it comes to Corona, it's the perfect match for me. Just kind of lets me sit back and chill.